Hey friends, good evening. It is Terry with Southern Yankee. I have my Trendsend box here. I'm a mess too. I don't know if you can see it. I have like stuff all over me. Sunday we've been doing a lot of cleaning and stuff and I'm just dirty. But I'm going to go ahead and get into this box. I didn't know that Trendsend was coming. I thought I had it set up so it was on demand. In fact, this is the second time this has happened. And I thought before I went and changed it, and it came again, and so this time 100%, I set it so this wouldn't happen, I believe. I'm going to double check now. Maybe I have it set up for every 2 months. I got to look and see what's going on because I didn't know it was coming, so this is a box that I'm not prepared to purchase anything from unless there's a Rockstar item or something in here, but I looked at the prices, and I think that's going to sway me away. I have Kiona, and let's just go through the prices. I'm not going to tell you, what everything is, but let's just go through the prices because, whew. All right, $78, $108, $48. By the way, that is the cheapest thing is $48. $104, $128 for a t-shirt, it looks like. $120 and $79. Really pricey box. So very likely that all of this is going to end up going back. But pull you guys down here a little bit because I feel like I'm having to look up. There we go. Let's go ahead and take a look. I'll see what's in it. So you can see my cat got in it. All right, so we have our first bundle here. This stylist must not have ever styled me before because she would know that black is not the color to bring into my home. This is by Z Supply. This is $79. It says 78 on my sheet, but it's $79 in a small, and it's called the TB Mesh Top. And it's just a see-through, completely mesh, see-through top. Hopefully they gave me something to wear under it. It's very see-through. It looks like it's got like a flower type of pattern on it. I'm going to have to get some kitty hair out of it. It's not a ton, but enough in there. All right. Then we have another black. Yeah, she definitely doesn't know me very well. Okay. This one is really cute, though. It's a little Ever Eve sweater in black, and it's got these little beads all over it, like these, which are hard little beads. This sweater... Oh my God, this whole box, almost this whole box, black, multi, black. There's something in here, orchid, and something else says investing too. Whatever that means. But this one is Aria studded pullover. This is $108. Yeah, I'm sure all this is going to go back. This must be the piece to go underneath it. This is probably the $48. Yeah, this is the Nina Seamless V neck tank in black. This is extra small, and this is $48. This I actually really like because it's a V-neck one, and it's got the thin straps, and they are adjustable. I would wear this for a layering piece, and I like that this is ribbed. That's actually a maybe for me. Now, these are the high-rise Kelsey Fab Ab ankle flare cut from the cloth. And these ones are $104, and they do have the raw edge on the hem. They look like, aside from that there's no additional that I can see like distressing. They're a solid dark navy, a little bit of whiskering up here, but not much. And these, what size are these? 2. I don't think those are going to fit. 2. 4, but not a 2, I don't think. Anyway, okay. Here is our next one. This must be the only thing that's colorful in here. This whole one is black, and I'm going to provide feedback for that. But this is a sweatshirt by Ever Eve. I do like the color. It's just a sweatshirt though, and it is $78 for this. All right, so Then we have the Rag and Bone t-shirt. This is the t-shirt that is $128. I'm sure I'll like it, but I'm not going to like it $128 worth. It's just got little like leaves, little leaves and petals is what it looks like all over it. I can feel it's nice. It's nice quality, but not $128 nice. That's ridiculous, and I don't care what the name brand is. And then a pair of black joggers, and these the slim pant black and small, and they do have like pockets in the back, and they come down. They're kind of weird. They're like sweatpants. I don't know. Okay, well, if they're mad that they get all this back with cat hair or dog hair, I mean, it's in the air, and it's their fault for not reading my profile. Black is not good if they look through the notes with... I know I've put it in multiple notes in all my boxes. So, anyway, I'm not going to try this on right now. I wanted to show everything to you. I'm going to do it on my lunch break tomorrow, which will be Monday. So this will probably go up on Wednesday because I do have to edit another video this evening, and I already got one video up for you guys today, which if you haven't seen it, go back and watch it because it's pretty awesome. It is our DIY Rose Chamomile Facial Oil. So stay tuned. The try-on will be right up next. Okay, friends, I have the tank and the black tank and the cut from the cloth jeans on. They are the Kelsey ankle boot in a size 2, $104. And then this little tank in black is the Nina seamless V-neck tank. This is an extra small. This is by Evereve. This is 48. So let me back up and show you. Okay, so this is the little tank. I like this. I've already kind of made up my mind about this box before I tried anything on. These pants, I wasn't sure they were going to fit because they're a size 2 and good length on them. They're a nice blue jean, cut from the cloth. Well, I'll give you my feelings at the end. So you do want to size down with cut from the cloth. But here we go. These are probably a little tight. I probably could have went up a size because I've gained a little, but we're getting ready to get back into baseball season, and that's going to come right off. I've just been resting my foot. Those of you that know. All right, so these are the two pieces here. And then I'm going to add, I'm just going to put this over the top. This is a sweater with the little studs on it. So we'll try this on next, and I'll tell you what the price of this is. I will tell you that I think the prices in here were way too high. And I wasn't as impressed. Maybe I said that in the beginning. I don't know. I filmed the first part days ago. I actually sent feedback because I was so disappointed in so much black in this box. I like color. I like black. The problem is I have 2 white animals and 7 animals total. And ignore this because I was doing my hair, or I was doing my makeup, just like throwing something on for the day because I just went tanning, which I normally don't do, but I'm getting ready to go on a trip, and I'm white, and also I have a little patch of like eczema right here, so that usually clears it up. Anyway, this is the Aria studded pullover in black, and this is $108 for this sweater. It's a beautiful sweater, it really is, although I can feel on the back end of this, these guys, let me see if I can show you one. Can you see that? That's metal. So I can feel the coldness of the metal beads. It would warm up under your skin within minutes, but just so you know. So here's this one. Ignore the hair, just ignore it because it's not upright. It just was a get it out of my face. Okay, let me change into some other tops and we'll keep trying. Okay, so now I have still have the tank under, and I have this little like mesh top. You can see the tank underneath it, and at the top, can you see it's got like a rose design on it? I don't know how well you can see it. Maybe there. So if you wore it with a different color underneath it, you'd probably see those black roses a little bit. But here it is with the tank and the mesh top.
And this is, hold on here. This is the TB mesh top in black by Z Supply, and it is $79. Okay guys, now I'm wearing the Rag & Bone Floral Rose Tee. It's called the All Over Rose Tee, a black multi by Rag & Bone. This sucker is the $128 t-shirt. It is a more fitted t-shirt. It's nice. It's a nice quality t-shirt. It's not worth $128 because of a name brand. There are a lot, in fact, Amazon Essentials, their t-shirts are great quality and they're very inexpensive. This is pretty. It does have a design on it. It's cute. I would definitely wear it. I'd wear it a ton in the summer. I just am not paying $128 for it. So here it is. The only time you'll see me wearing it unless it was free. Okay, now I have what looks like, it's called a slim pant. It is by a brand I've never heard of called Varley. These are the slim pant by Varley. They are in a size small in black and they're $120. And they definitely are a sweatshirt material, but I don't like them. They do have pockets and the material is super soft. Like it's nice. Like I don't think they look bad. But what I don't like about them is the bottom comes down like a legging, and I would like a band here so that it more represents looking like a pair of sweatpants, because this way it's like confused. Is it a legging? Is it sweat on the top, legging on the bottom? I don't like the look of this. So this one is not for me. I do have one more sweatshirt, so we can try that on right here because I'm going to put it over. This really beautiful bright colored one. This one is in the color Orchid. It's the Charlize crew neck sweatshirt, and it's by Evereve, and this one is $78. So if this was a sweater, I would like it better because I would wear it more because I work full time, and sweaters I would wear more than a sweatshirt because I can't wear a sweatshirt to work. I can wear a sweatshirt here when I'm working remotely, but that's it. But I love the color. Yeah. This is a cute sweatshirt. Okay. Hang tight. I'm going to share with you what I kept in this box and what's going back. Okay, my friends. So as you can see, I kept the tank on because this is the only thing that I kept. I ended up paying, I think, $14 for this because the styling fee was like $20, and then I had $15 in Trendsend credit because every time you purchase from your Evereve box, you get points, and usually I think once a quarter they send you out, or maybe they send it when you earn it, I don't know. But the last 2 boxes that I've gotten, because I've kept something, each time I've gotten a certificate saying you have $15 credit. Just so you know that happens when you purchase. So items can cost a whole lot less than maybe you think. And I normally really like Trendsend, but the prices definitely have went up. And I didn't particularly like the way this woman styled me. Now, I've been doing Trendsend for years and years. So as far as like the items she sent, they're okay. But it was too much black, like in a house of 7 animals, like it's just not great. Now this I'll wear because I have a trip coming up, and this is the perfect kind of a thing for like on the beach at a resort, or under something like if I just need a little bit of extra coverage under something sheer that I'm wearing at the beach. So I will keep this. I already paid for this. Everything else is going back. The cut from the cloth jeans, the blue jeans, I went on Cut From The Cloth's website. They have so many sales right now where you can get like jeans for $24 and $39, and those were like what, $104. So I was like, you know, yes, they fit. They're slightly too tight because I've gained a little weight during the holidays, but I am not going to pay $104 when they've got them on the site for less. And they had styles on the site I liked more than this one. So anyway, so those are my thoughts on that. The studded sweater was really pretty. Just, again, it's black. It's not something I'm going to wear here because as soon as I sit down, it's got white hair on it. The sweatpants I didn't like. And then the mesh top was, that wasn't really my style. It just wasn't. So Anyway, those are my thoughts on this box. I did let them know, like, I can't do this much black. And also, I love color. I love color. I feel like color really, I love black. Black is slimming, but color sort of brightens you up. Speaking of color, I've got this cute little sweatshirt set that has little pearls on it that you will see in a upcoming Valentine's video. I gotta put this back on and go get myself some lunch before my lunch break is completely over. But I just want to show this to you because it's cute. So I'll give you a sneak peek of the Valentine's stuff. Look at this. It's got little pearls all over it. And it is like a velvet. I don't know what the material is. It's super, super soft. So I'm going to put this back on because it's a little chilly in the house with the, well, it's just been cold. It's just been cold out lately. Although today's kind of warmer than normal. I think we're 40 and we were like 16 degrees. We'll see how long that lasts because it's been one hell of a year already with all the stuff going on. Okay. All right, my friends. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I normally do really love getting my Trendsend. This box just wasn't the best, at least for me. And I will get another one. I think I get these like every 2 months, but I did request a different stylist because like I've been doing it long enough. There's so many notes on here and like things I've kept. All you have to do is look at things I've kept, look at, my styles I like, my notes, everything is there. So, I just didn't feel like this box really suited me very well. But my link will be below, and if you use it, we both get 15% off our next box, including sale items, and they will send sale items. That was the thing too. There was nothing in here on sale, and after the holidays, usually there's a lot of sale items. So I don't know, maybe they're doing away with that, but I normally do get sale items, which when I get sale items, I tend to keep more of them because, especially if they're a good deal and I really love them, then I'll pick them up, but I didn't get any. So I might just ask in my next box to send me some sale items. So, all right, my friends. So that is it for today. And my link will be down below. And I hope you guys had fun. And the pictures will be at the end. And don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me. Liking and commenting. All those things are so helpful to my channel. If you have friends or family that you think would enjoy my channel, please share my channel with them as well. I so appreciate each and every one of you. And together we can help this channel grow. I will see you guys all really soon. Bye, friends.